How to deploy a high-performance WordPress site on a $2.90 VPS, a step-by-step guide. The evolution of WordPress hosting. WordPress powers over 40% of the internet. However, most beginners start with shared hosting, which often leads to slow loading speeds and error 500 during traffic spikes. In 2026, the savvy move is to host WordPress on a virtual private server, VPS. With SurferCloud ULitehost, you can get dedicated resources for just $2.90 per month, which is often cheaper than basic shared hosting but offers 5x the performance. This guide will show you why and how to make the switch. Ready to upgrade? Get your WordPress ready VPS here. https://www.surfercloud.com/promos/ulitehost. 1. Why ULitehost is superior for WordPress. Guaranteed resources versus shared neighbors. On shared hosting, if another website on the same server gets a traffic surge, your site slows down. ULitehost provides dedicated CPU slices and RAM. Your WordPress PHP processes will always have the power they need to execute quickly. NVMe SSD, the secret to fast TTFB. Time to first byte, TTFB, is a crucial Google ranking factor. Because ULitehost uses NVMe SSDs, the database queries, which WordPress does constantly, are processed almost instantly. This means your pages start loading in the browser much faster. Global edge with 15+ data centers. If your readers are in Southeast Asia, hosting in North America is a mistake. SurferCloud allows you to deploy your WordPress site in Hong Kong, Singapore, or Tokyo with one click, ensuring your local audience gets sub-100 ms latency. 2. Choosing the right ULitehost plan for WordPress. For a standard WordPress blog or small business site, the entry-level ULitehost plan at $2.90 per MO is sufficient. 1 vCPU/1 GB or 2 GB RAM, perfect for up to 20,000 monthly visitors. NVMe storage, plenty for your media library and themes. 30 megabits per second bandwidth, ensures images and videos load without buffering. 3. Step-by-step deployment, the technical part. Step 1. Launch your instance. Go to the ULitehost promo page, select your preferred region, and choose Ubuntu 22.04 or 24.04 LTS as your OS. Step 2. Install a control panel, optional but recommended. If you aren't a command line expert, you can install free panels like CyberPanel, CloudPanel, or AAPanel. These allow you to manage WordPress with a graphical interface. Example command for CloudPanel: curl /ssl https://installer.cloudpanel.io/ce/v2/install.sh sudo bash. Step 3. Configure PHP and MariaDB. WordPress requires PHP 8.1+ recommended, and a database. On a VPS, you can tune the php.ini file to allow larger file uploads, e.g., upload_max_ file size equals 64 M, something you often can't do on shared hosting. Step 4. Point your domain. Grab your dedicated IPv4 from the SurferCloud dashboard and add a record in your domain's DNS settings. 4. Optimizing for 2026 SEO standards. Hosting on ULitehost gives you the technical SEO foundation, but you should also enable object cache, use Redis, easily installed on ULitehost, to speed up the backend. SSL via Let's Encrypt. SurferCloud's dedicated IP makes SSL setup seamless. CDN integration. Combine your VPS with a CDN for ultimate global speed. 5. Cost comparison. The massive savings. Bluehost/SiteGround, often $10 to $15 per MO after the renewal period. Managed WP hosting, WP Engine $25 plus per MO. SurferCloud ULitehost, $2.90 per MO with total control. Over a year, you save over $200 while gaining a faster website. Conclusion. Stop letting slow hosting hold back your Google rankings. Transitioning to a lightweight cloud server like UlightHost is the single best investment you can make for your WordPress site this year. Don't miss the $2.90 deal. Start your WordPress VPS journey on Surfer Cloud.